Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Win32K callout watchdog bug check error on Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. If you are also facing such type of bug check error, then here are the fixes. The first workaround is right click on a start button and choose device manager. Device manager window will now open. Here scroll down and go to the display adapter section. Simply expand it, right click on your display adapter driver and choose update driver. A new window will pop up. Here, how do you want to search for drivers? Choose first result, search automatically for drivers. Choose first options and install latest driver update for your display adapter driver and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose settings. Plus I shortcut key to open settings and install Windows latest update. From the left side, go to Windows Update and click on check for updates from the right side. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various type of error appear on your screen. So you must update your operating system. The third workaround is go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Choose run as administrator and command prompt window will now open. Here execute DISM tool as shown on the screen. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one followed by enter key on each time and follow on screen instruction to complete the process to execute this DISM tool in command prompt Windows. After that, execute the command sfc scan now. Same, type sfc space / scan now and press enter. It will scan your computer for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. Follow on screen instruction and once successfully execution of these two, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type Windows Memory Diagnostic. Open Windows Memory Diagnostic app, open it. There may be a memory related issue, so check your computer for memory problems. Memory problems can cause your computer to lose information or stop working. Choose first option, restart now and check for problems recommended. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch. Open run dialog box and here type msconfig msconfig and click on OK. Here from the top menu bar, go to services and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services from the bottom left and thereafter choose disable all from the bottom right corner. After that, go to a startup tab from the top menu bar and open task manager. Click on this option. The startup apps in task manager window will open. Here manually disable apps on your system. Simply select it and choose disable from the top menu bar. If you found any startup apps enabled in your system, simply select it or right click on it and choose disable. And after that, close the windows and your error will definitely be